Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here at Aldi and we're going to go over the clearance section to see what we can score. Right here in the corner is the corner tools holder, regular $34.99. It is on sale for 20 bucks. Right here. And they also have their foldable workbench on sale for $24.99. Right here. Wonderful, wonderful Christmas gifts. Okay, so let's go on over here where all the clearance usually is stored. Over here, let's see. Popped-in bacon pan set right here. It is $10.49. You get a 2-piece set. Oh, this cast iron 10-inch skillet. It is on clearance for $9.99. Nice. This Harvest chopping block, it is on clearance for $7.49. Love that. Oh man, what is this? Well, this is not the sale item, but it is a professional dual blender. Regular $69.99 is on sale for $34.99. They've sold out, I'm sure. But yes, you may want to check your store to see if they have, this deal on the blender in your location. Okay. Let's see. I hope y'all are having a wonderful day. And I appreciate you guys for stopping in and watching my video. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so by hitting that red button. Okay, right here is Pure Aqua Sparkling Cocktail Mixers assorted for $149, and I do not see it. But it is on clearance. Okay. Up here is the Gold Peak 6-pack assorted varieties for $4.99 clearance. Regular $6.38. Right here we have mini beef sticks for $2.19. Okay, right here is Baker's Corner funnel cake kit for $139. We'll take it. Something is better than nothing, right guys? Okay, so let me turn around to see if there's anything else over here. Okay, right here, the cozy slipper socks for the children. They are $150. And that is the sale price. Okay, down here. Oh yes, these are the ladies' winter wedge boots for 12 bucks. Love it. Regular $24.99. You all remember these? Yes. And yes. They also have the ladies' winter boots for $8.50. Where are the winter boots? Winter boots. These are the wedge. I'm wondering if I'm not sure if they're the ankle boots or not, but if it's in your store, the winter boots are $8.50, and the wedge boots, they're 12 bucks here at Aldi. Okay, the ladies fleece pullover, $6.49. They're out of stock here at my store. Here's the tag. Such a great item. Okay, ladies' tall rain boots on sale for $5. And I did see a pair over here. The rain boots, right there. They're on sale for $5. Now, you know that's a great deal. Oh my goodness, $5. And Lily and Dan children's snow boots on sale for $14.99. Okay. Man, let's see if there's anything else over here. I know this one is going to be a little bit short, but we still want to see it, right? Okay, this chocolate candy truffles down here on sale for $4.49. Okay. This little cake here, gourmet cake, it is $6.99. Here. No, this one is $6.99 on clearance. And this one is $6.49 without the box. Okay, the milk chocolate figurines are $3.49. That looks good. And what is this? Soft gingerbread cookies on sale for $2.99. Soft gingerbread cookies, $2.99. Do not see the gingerbread cookies. Okay. That's okay. So, let me make sure that we have not looked over anything here at the store. We still have these popcorns here for $5.49 and the gingerbread train kit for $7.85. I think these are just so cute. They have it in the village, the house, and what else? The village, the house, and the train set. Yes, for $7.85. We got those two. Okay. We still have these Christmas cakes here for $2.58. Here today, gone tomorrow. Okay, let's go over here and look. Over here, when they put items over here in my store up here, it's usually on sale or getting ready to go on sale. Okay, one thing up here. It is the Merry Moments Holiday Easel sign for $17.99. It is this one right here. And they are lovely. We have this one. In the trunk. Fresh, farm fresh trees. Okay, yeah. They still have plenty of reversible signs and circle signs for Christmas, but they are not on sale just yet. But when they move things over here, usually it's getting ready to go on sale. So I'll keep my eyes open on this section right here and let you guys know. So as soon as it goes on sale, you'll be one of the first to know. Hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications so that you don't miss any uploads that I bring to you all. I upload 2 to 3 Aldi videos each week. So if you're an Aldi fan like I am, please subscribe. You won't be disappointed. Thank you all so much for stopping by. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one. Have a great day.